Right, I will show you how to solve this equation. If you are not accepting complex numbers, the answer is only 1, which is 0. Okay, if you put 0 here, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 to the power of 3 is 1, isn't it? So the only solution is 0. But I would like to accept complex numbers for this case. So there are 3 solutions, okay? So to figure out the second and third solutions, we need to expand this one, right? I will use Pascal's triangle to expand this one. So this is a Pascal triangle. 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 1 plus 2 is 3, like that, right? So this one is showing the coefficient and the constant of the expression. When this one is to the power of 1, this line is the coefficient, okay, of coefficient and constant. Then this one is when you see this one, x to the power of 2, which is x to the power of 2 plus 2x plus 1. So that number here fits here, okay? So if you want to expand, I should use y, isn't it? To the power of 3, as y to the power of 3's coefficient is 1, plus 3y to the power of 2, plus 3y plus 1. So if you expand this expression, you get this one. So I will write this expression instead of this left-hand side, right? Then I take 1 away from both sides so that I can cancel these, right? So the right-hand side is going to be 0, and then left-hand side is y to the power of 3 plus 3y to the power of 2 plus 3y. And then I factorize with the common factor, which is y. So y bracket, y to the power of 2 plus 3y plus 3 bracket equals 0. This is why one of the solution is 0, because if you put 0 here, this is it's gonna be 0, isn't it? So which means if this expression is 0, this equation also works. So we need to figure out the solution for this equation, which we use quadratic formula. This quadratic formula, a is the number here, which is 1, and then b is number here, and then c is number here, right? So the solution is 2 times 1 is 2, negative 3 plus minus square root 3 squared, which is 9, and then take away 4 times 1 times 3, which is negative 12, isn't it? So negative 3 plus minus square root negative 3 and then 2. When you see negative number in the square root, you need to use I, isn't it? So negative 3 plus minus square root 3 I over 2 is a solution for this equation. So the answer is y equal 0 and negative 3 plus minus square root 3i over 2.